What? You're not getting him?
He's not picking my calls.
What do you mean he's not picking?
Before he left the house, I told him that we'll be going to the market to get some things. He assured me that we'll be coming back early. This is 5 hours. 5 hours and he's not yet back. Can you imagine? I don't understand this.
This is serious.
Wait.
And all the money is in his account.
Yes, he is calling. Hello, Emeka. Emeka, what is your problem now? Why are you keeping us here since morning waiting for you? What? You're not Emeka? Can you just give the phone to Emeka? Let me talk to him. What? Kidnap?
What?
Jesus Christ!
Jesus Christ, what are you shouting?
Oh my God. Kidnappers, they kidnapped Emeka.
Jesus Christ.
I am telling you,
they did what?
Yes, as a matter of fact, they said they killed Emeka. They asked us to come to Ekulu Market Bush and pick his corpse. What? Yes.
I heard you calling Emeka. Hope everything is fine.
Yeah, everything is fine, Mama.
Everything is fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, everything is fine. Mama, just go inside and rest.
Everything is fine.
Yes, go inside and rest. Everything is fine.
Mama, we're coming. Yeah?
Where are you going? I thought you said everything is fine.
Everything is fine, Mama.
Ha!
What is going on?
This one you people are running. I hope all is well.
All is not well. We're coming to your house. Thank God we met you here.
What happened?
There's a problem.
A very, very big problem.
What problem is that?
I just had a call that Emeka was kidnapped.
Huh?
Yes.
Not just that Emeka was kidnapped. They killed Emeka and asked us to come to Ekulu Forest and carry his corpse.
You mean Emeka has been kidnapped and killed?
He answered the call.
Yes.
He was the one that received the call. And Iche, what do we do? I was thinking of going to the police first before going to the forest.
Yes.
Okay, you know what? Let us first of all go to Iche Payo's house. After that, we go to the police station. Then, from police station to the forest.
Oh, the
I think that will be okay.
Let's go.
What is happening? Why did my children leave this compound like that? After answering a call. Chineke biko mekwaru m ebele, eh? Something is not right.
Mama, what is it? This one you're talking to yourself. Is everything alright?
My daughter, I'm confused.
Confused about what? Is everything alright? Meanwhile, where is Bro Johnson and Paul?
They left here, mentioning Emeka's name.
Emeka kwa?
Eh? I don't know. I don't know. Hey!
I hope no problems.
I hope so. Okam CJ.
So strange.
Lifestyle is cost. Cut your coat according to your size. Lifestyle is cost. Game when no fair makana. I watch a boss, I go nice. If I were rembido, if I put up a rembido, no one were rempussy. Come walk with you. I watch a boss, I go nice. If I were rembido, because you cannot run faster than your shadow. One more, I watch a boss, I go nice. If I were rembido, no peace for wicked, no peace for evil people.
Bye, baby. Sandra, what is that in that bag? Mama, my boyfriend bought these things for me. Look at
Sandra, why can't you be useful to yourself? Why can't you be useful to yourself, Sandra? Jumping from one man to another every day. The other day, Emeka. The other day, this one. You have come home with this one that I don't know who he is. Sandra, bikonu, me no wege bele. Sandra, bikonu, see virus everywhere, see HIV. Every day you be jumping with men. Sandra, why can't you behave like me, your mother, Amuche? Why can't you leave all these Okite boys alone? Sandra, Sandra, bikonu.
Mama, are you done? You could go.
Oh, so Jakanabo. So, Koeli can not Koeli. So, Koeli can not Koeli, Sandra.
Mama, you want to beat me?
So I'm talking rubbish. Eh? Sandra.
Do you want to beat me? You are beating me.
Oh, you can't go with again, Sandra. Hey, God. Sandra. Sandra, you told me about Sandra.
Mommy, Sandra. Sandra. You're spoiling my sis in this village.
No swag.
You're spoiling my sis. I don't like it.
Jesus. Sandra. Please, Mwam. Leave all these Okite men alone.
Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Sandra.
Leave me alone.
Hey, you better beat me.
Leave me,
beat me, Sandra.
What is this?
God, why did you give me this heartbreak as a child? A useless daughter that doesn't want to be useful to herself. Eh? A useless daughter that doesn't want to be useful to herself. Eh? God, why me? Why me, Amuche? Hey, Chineke. Hey, Sandra.
We are lost in a haze of our endless desire. Greediness is a poison, one more. It's a poison that consumes the soul. It leads us to endless desire, which we regret. Greediness is a poison that kills every soul. Greediness is a poison that consumes the soul. It leads us to endless desire, which we regret. We always regret them. We always regret them out loud. It's a poison. It's a poison.
What is all
Greediness leads us to greediness.
Father in the mortuary. Son kidnapped and killed. Hey! This is really bad news.
We are lost in a haze of our endless desire. Greediness is a poison, one more. It's a poison that consumes the soul. It leads us to endless desire, which we regret.
Micheal, I called you here for something very important.
Go ahead.
I went to the police station to see how the case is going. And the policeman called me, asked me a few questions, which I obliged I answered. The first one was if I know anyone or if I'm suspecting anyone of what happened to my brother Emeka. I answered no. The second question is that if I know anyone that's threatened my brother before this whole thing happened. My answer remains no. Few hours later, this girl seated here called me. She told me she has something important I need to know. And I asked. What she told me was very shocking. I said I will not hear this alone. I'm going to come here, invite her here to tell you what she has told me.
Young lady, you heard him well. What do you have to say?
Micheal, I think I know someone that killed them.
Are you sure of what you're saying? And who is that person?
Have I not warned you to stay away from me? Stop coming to my house. Are you just jobless? Or you don't have anything meaningful doing with your life? Can you remember? What are you doing here?
Sandra, one, your house is not for that Christmas. So coming to your house should tell you that I have something important to tell you. Or rather still, to each up. I want to ask you something. Your current boyfriend, what kind of a person is he? And what business does he do for a living?
Are you okay? I mean, is something wrong with your head? You came all the way from your mother's house to question me about my boyfriend in my own house. In Angomo. What are you making me see? Is it your business? Whatever my boyfriend does for a living, is it your concern? Is it your boyfriend? Can't you just leave me alone?
Sandra, I'm not holding you. Ejuram Gaka. Okay. A few days ago, I was chatting with Emeka on the road. That's your ex-boyfriend.
Yes.
Then your so-called present boyfriend came down from his car ranting like a madman, threatening that he would deal with Emeka. That by the time he's done with Emeka, the Emeka would know the reason they call him sharpshooter.
And so?
And now Emeka is kidnapped and killed. You don't know? Okay. Close your mouth. I want you to go and find out what your boyfriend does for a living. Because if they ask me, I will open my mouth. And you know when I open my mouth, it's not good. Like I said, I'm not here to argue with you. If they ask me, I will talk. So start asking your boyfriend what happens to Emeka. That's just why I'm here.
Lifestyle is cost. Cut your coat according to your size. Mirinerigi, Abina Jakunkoa. Lifestyle is cost. Wepake when no fair makana. Abacha kwasa agomaisi. Ife mwerembido mweremkusi. Ife abuna mwerembido no mweremkusi. Kangwagwagyo. Abacha kwasa agomaisi. Ife mwerembido mweremkusi. Because you cannot run faster than your shadow. One nemo. Abacha kwasa agomaisi. Ife mwerembido mweremkusi. No peace for weekend. Lifestyle is cost. Wepake when no fair makana. Abacha kwasa agomaisi. Ife mwerembido mweremkusi. Ife abuna mwerembido no mweremkusi. Kangwagwagyo. Abacha kwasa agomaisi. Ife mwerembido mweremkusi. Because you cannot run faster than your shadow.
Hello? Contractor. What is happening now? What is delaying this project? Huh? This is not what we bargained on. This is not what we bargained. Hey, just look at the same way I left it last week. That's the same way it is till now. What is happening? No. See, listen to me. I want you to be here tomorrow morning, please. You need to come and tell me why you are delaying this work. I need to know, please. You need to be here first thing tomorrow morning.
Carlo has been arrested.
Eh?
Yes.
Carlo arrested? How now? When?
Dima came to my house this morning and she said things about Carlo threatening Emeka that he's going to show him the reasons he's called a sharpshooter. So, according to Dima, she said after the threats, Emeka has been killed and kidnapped. No, kidnapped and killed. Yes.
Emeka kidnapped and killed?
Yes, this morning.
Hey.
No, immediately I went to Carlo's house.
Calm down. Just calm down and explain to me, okay?
Okay.
Just relax yourself.
I'm calm. I went to my boyfriend's house to ask him, baby, look at what the man said, though. Only for me to see the police taking him away.
Hey, Chimo.
They said he's kidnapped and killed.
This is a very big problem, So, wait, what are we going to do now?
No, it's what are you going to do? Don't you have money?
We need to find a solution. We need to leave immediately, please.
Consume the soul to endless desire, which we regret. Greediness is a poison that kills every soul. Greediness is a poison that consumes the soul.
Now, let me ask you for the very last time. Why did you kidnap and kill that young man?
Officer, I'm telling you the truth. I've said everything I know. I did not kidnap or kill Emeka. I am innocent. All this beating and torturing you're doing is not fair.
Shut up.
Emeka is my friend.
Shut up! Few days ago, you threatened to deal with him. After some days, he was kidnapped and killed.
Officer, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean to kill him. It was just a mere threat. It was just a mere threat. I cannot kill Emeka.
Shut up! I can see you are a hardened criminal. But don't worry. I know how to deal with your time. I'll come back to you. But make sure you are ready to tell me what I want to hear. Else, what I will do to you, you will live to regret it. If only you will be alive to witness it. Nonsense. Criminal.
Officer, come and remove this thing now. Oh God, God, what kind of temptation is this? I did not do it. I did not do it. Why will I kill Emeka? Officer.
Please, Sandra, you have to go see Kalu at the station. You know I can't go there because of the kind of business I do. I might well be arrested too.
Why should I go there? I've never been to the police station before. What do I tell them when I get there?
Sandra.
Please, I'm not going. Because what happens to his father going to know the reason for his son's arrest?
Oh, Sandra, you know he's not in good terms with his father. You are the right person to go to this place. Please.
No. It's not my fault. Please stop pushing. Yahoo is not a crime. It's a business and not a death sentence. His father should be able to understand this. You should go and bail his son or release his son from the police custody. And not me.
That is the more reason why you should go. You are in the best position to go to the police station, to know what's happening. If it's money, fine, I will bring the money to bail him. But you need to go at least to know what's happening there. Remember, the person we're talking about is your boyfriend. And this is the best time he needs you more. This is not just a random person.
Because he's my boyfriend. Just, I don't know what to tell the police people when I get there.
No, this is not, you know the police now, they might even be more concerned about the money. Just go there, tell them, you know his name and everything. They will bring him out. We look for a good lawyer to sort out this issue once and for all. Alright, thank you. Thank you. Just update me if there's anything.
Hello? You said Yahoo. Inspector Ben. Okay. Okay. You're asking me if I'm aware that the police came and arrested my son. Yes, I'm aware. Yeah, I'm aware. There's no need of asking me what I want to do or, I want to ask you one question. Do people have underground cell there? You have underground cell. Put him there. Put him in underground cell. Don't allow him to see this heaven. Don't allow him to see the sky. Put him inside underground cell. Let him stay there because I've been warning him. But he wouldn't listen. Court. Take him to court now. Take him to court and send him to prison. I have no problem with that. At least let me rest for once in my house. In fact, Inspector, so no need of asking me to come because I will not come. I will not come. Bye-bye.
Yeah, hello, IPO. Yeah, I'm fine. Are you telling me that criminal has not confessed? Did you torture him well? It's alright, IPO. I'll get in touch with you later. Thank you.
So, young lady, who are you to him?
We are just friends.
Friends? Are you aware that your so-called friend is a kidnapper?
Kidnapper? No, officer. I'm not aware.
Well, I just passed to you an information, and I will advise you to leave this place immediately. You can't see him.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You may go now.
Thank you, officer.
I was not allowed to see him.
Are you serious?
The IPO handling the case says that it's going to be a very difficult one. He said something about kidnap. He wanted me to also not come back to the station concerning that case again. Else, I will lock myself into a big trouble.
This is really serious, but I know what to do. I just have to try and do something. I know what to do.
What is your plan?
I will let you know as soon as possible, but I have to do everything within my reach to bring him out of that place immediately.
Mbina, whatever you have to do it fast, please.
Of course, he has to leave that place as soon as possible. Man.
Why must he involve himself into kidnapping? Knowing fully well that is a very serious issue.
Oh God, officer.
See, life is involved here, and this is a very serious issue. Now, my problem is this: he never told me when he was going to do that deal. Apart from that, even my own share, he refused to give me. He involved greed inside this kind of act. Now you are here asking me what to do.
Officer, please, I'm begging you, officer. You are our person now, officer. Please, you have to help us. You have to do everything humanly possible to bring Carlo out of that place, officer. Officer, please, I'm on my knees begging you, officer. You know this thing might just be coincidence. Or maybe careless talk, officer. Please, officer, I'm begging you. Please, officer. Carlo needs to be out of that place, officer. You are in this system, officer. You know how to maneuver all these things. Pico, buy around. Pico, help Carlo to come out of this thing, please.
Stand up. I will see what I can do,
officer.
But it's going to cost you a lot.
How much is it going to cost me?
Money big, because if you check now, we are not even sure. You might even be involved. By the time the police will take him to court now, they'll be asking him some kind of questions. And he might end up calling your name. Who knows?
I know. That is why I want to do everything humanly possible to bring him out of this place. You see the reason why I'm bothered. I need to bring Carlo out of that place as soon as possible.
I'll tell you. I'll see what I can do.
Officer, please. I will get the available money needed. Please.
No problem. Can you see where your greed has landed you? Ivan, how much are you paid? How much are you paid for this deal?
Why are you saying this now? Why would you say this? I was not paid for anything. I did not kidnap or kill Emeka. Why would I do that? Emeka's people are poor. They can't even pay for ransom.
Oh, no wonder. That was why you killed him, right? In fact, I want to know all the people involved. Who are your gangs? Why are you working for?
There is nobody involved. I did not involve anybody. I just told you that I did not kill him. Why don't you believe me? I didn't kill him. I'm even looking for a way to just tell you to help me get out of here. I'm suffering. Just look at me. Look at me now, please. Just help me.
You're looking for a way to help you. Do you think it's that easy? Do you know I gave the DPO a huge amount of money and he refused? He drove me out of the office. Do you know the implication of that?
So what are we going to do now? I'm suffering here.
See, we have to involve a lawyer in this issue now. And it's going to cost you a lot of money. See, I don't know how you're going to do it, but just think. Think of anything you can do to raise money. We need money because by the time this matter gets out of here, it's going to the court. And you know what that means? You'll be killed.
What kind of trouble is this? See, please just help me. Go to the house, sell the car, sell everything, sell my land. The documents are in the house. Please, just help me. Sell everything. Any money you can gather, I want to be out of here. I'm suffering here. See what I'm going through. I didn't do any of this. Please, just help me. Help me. Just sell everything. Sell it and see how you're going to do so that I will just get out of here. Please. Please.
I've had you.
Stop.
Mr. Kalu, are you aware that kidnapping is a serious offense?
Yes, sir.
Also, you are aware. Why did you and your gang kidnap that young man and kill him by name Emeka?
Sir, honestly, I did not kidnap or kill Emeka. I have no hands in anything that happened to Emeka. I'm telling you the truth, sir.
You have no hand in his kidnap. Can you recall what actually transpired between you and Emeka? Being Thursday the 14th. And then how can you possibly convince the police that you have no hand in his kidnap and killing?
Oh, sir. You know, I had a little quarrel with Emeka. And then on that day, on that Thursday, I saw him along the road with his girlfriend. Then I just came down and told him that I'm going to deal with him. That's all. I entered my vehicle and drove off.
Just a mere threat. Do you know what a mere threat is? Do you know the 3 cases of threatening someone? And then just 2 days after your threat, he was kidnapped and then killed. I'm talking to you!
I have an answer.
Sir, what I'm telling you is the truth, nothing but the truth. I don't have any hand in his kidnap.
Is your father aware that you are in the police custody?
Yes, sir. And
besides, I hear you ride in an expensive car. What kind of job do you do in this village that actually places you on such a high-profile lifestyle?
Sir, I'm into real estate. I'm a land agent. That is how I earn my money.
Then why hasn't your father come here to see you?
Sir, I don't know. Maybe he hasn't heard.
Sir, let me come in from here. Sir, I personally called his father, and his father said I should take him to underground cell.
Can you hear that? You have always been a bad son to your father. You've never been in the good book of your father. Else your father would have taken it upon himself to come here and see you. Now you are going to get the car. You bring it down to this police station here. We're going to impound the car until he tells us where he got the money from to buy such an expensive car. You will take him straight down to the underground cell, just like his father rightly instructed, and leave him there. And then prepare his court papers.
Thank you, sir.
Take him away!
Papa, Papa, underground.
Nonsense. You think we're joking here? Can you imagine it? You threatened someone and 2 days after he was kidnapped and then murdered. You standing here to tell me you have no hand in it? Yes, I just want for what do we have?
Sir, all I'm saying is about Kalu.
Okay.
Sir, I'm suggesting we let him go. You know we don't have enough evidence to prosecute him in court. So I'm just thinking we should let him go. Regarding that, his friend actually gave me this money to give to you, sir. And sir, he even promised that he's going to bring more money. So please, sir. Sir, please. Just let him go. So that this boy should not be suffering what he doesn't know. Yes, sir.
If not that you and I are married from the same family, I would have gladly thrown you inside the cell. Are you mad? Are you on cheap drugs? Or what influence of drugs are you acting on? Expired weed? Colorado? Loud? I'm talking to you! Someone threatened somebody and had a quarrel with him. He promised to deal with him. And 2 days after, the young man was kidnapped and then killed. You talk about letting him go? Tell me, Sergeant Waf, what other evidence do you want? What other evidence do you want? And you brought a parcel of money to my office. You have guts. Now you are going to take this money right away. Get out of my office this minute before I deal with you.
I'm sorry, sir.
Get out of my office!
I'm sorry, sir.
What kind of nonsense is this? What is going on? You want me to release a kidnapper? A murderer? Sergeant Wafo is not aware of what I'm capable of doing.
Johnson and Paul, we came to ask you about the way forward concerning your father's burial. Because after this Emeka's death, in fact, we don't know what to say or the next plan. So we are here to know the way forward. That's your plans.
Well, Ichie, I am so confused, just like you are. Well, I and my brother have decided to bury our father first, because there is no money. You know how we run around to pay into Emeka's accounts before this tragic incident happened. So we're going to bury our father first. Subsequently, we can raise money for another funeral. For now, that is all the plans that we have. Nothing more.
It's okay. The idea is fine. So when are you people planning to bury your father?
In 4 days time. If our plan, if things works out the way we plan, in 4 days time we should bury him.
Why not we go to the bank to explain things to the bank manager? Wouldn't it help? Because this money was paid few days before Emeka's death. At least we have evidence. If they feel we are lying, they can go to the police to verify.
Well, I don't want to say certain things, but you see the bank have one policy that will always frustrate you by mission or omission. They won't listen to you. Even if they manage to listen to you, they will demand documents and papers that you cannot afford. All because they want to turn you round and round until you get tired of coming back to them. That's the bank for you. And I don't think we are in for this now. Oh, brother.
Ichie, you have spoken well. And also you, Paul, my brother. You have spoken well too. Banks will always be banks. Alright? We will always try whatever they demand of us, we're going to provide it. So I will go to the bank. Whatever they say, I will tell you.
It's alright.
So when are you going to the bank?
Oh, immediately after this meeting, I'll go to the bank.
That's good.
That's okay. It's alright.
Nai, Dalu.
Yes. What are you doing in my house? Your partners in crime.
Nai, I came to see you.
You came to see me. If it's about Carlo, I am not interested. And I don't have any money to bring her to release him.
Nai, please. Carlo is not guilty as accused of, Nai. Huh? Carlo is not guilty. He didn't kill or kidnap Emeka.
He did not kidnap or kill Emeka?
Yes.
Then what is he doing at the police station? Is he a police officer? What is he doing there? Is Carlo a police officer?
Nah,
I'm asking you.
Here why you're now. Please calm down. Everything will be fine. Eh?
Answer my question. Is Carlo a police officer? Yes or no?
No, he's
then
not.
What is he doing at the police station?
Nah, please calm down, okay?
Please,
okay, calm down.
Okay, okay, I've calmed down. Talk.
He will be charged to the court next week.
Better.
Police. So we got a good lawyer for him, but the problem is the money. The money they are calling is too much. I don't even have that money to pay it.
I said it. I said you have come to ask me for money. I don't have money.
Nai, nobody's asking you for money. Nai, please.
Okay.
Carlo told me he has a piece of land that I should sell it off, at least raise some money to pay the lawyer.
Carlo?
Yes.
Has a piece of land?
Yes, Nai.
So he also bought lands?
He bought land, yes, with his own money.
What is that your name again?
Ogbonna.
Ogbonna. Let me ask you, what do you people do to make all this money used in buying all these things? Because as far as I know, all of you are barrel pushers. So where do you make the money to buy all these things? Nah,
please, we don't have time for all these things you are saying. Nah, please go inside there and get me this document. Let's sort this thing out. Nah, we don't have time.
Go inside there and get documents. Get documents, okay?
Nah, because no now. Eh? Please.
Okay, the documents, is it black or white or red? Okay.
Nobody's actually, because I know that's where you are going to. Nobody's asking you to bring money.
You say you know his room. Okay, my bedroom here.
Nah, because now.
There with the documents. Emergency with the documents.
Nah, please. We don't have time. We don't have time. All these things you are doing now, there is no time. Oh.
The document, is it black or red or yellow?
Nah, let's go inside and sort out that document. Nah, let's go inside, Biko.
Now, let's go and sort out documents. You want documents, you don't know that. Kamaya Makachuku. Otherwise, I come and happy about her or never with the letter. Don't come to me.
No, you don't know. I don't want
to. If you are that way, I'm not
entering your house. Please go and get all the documents.
Brother, you're back already. How did you go? Nothing good comes out of it. I was asked to provide some papers from the local governments, the king, the town union, and also the banker headquarters. I don't understand this. I really don't. And that will come after 1 year when they are sure that the person in question is dead. This is crazy.
These people are not ready to release this money. I know these people. I told you earlier before now. They will want to come up with another story after 1 year. All to get hold of this money and keep it to themselves.
Let me tell you, this bank manager will not eat my money. He will not eat my money, else I will go to court. I will sue him.
Just take it easy. Just calm down. These people are just like that.
Where's Mama?
Oh, she's inside.
Okay.
Let's not forget, have you gone to the station to know how the matter is going, the case we have?
Yes, I was there a few days ago.
Okay.
And the IPO told me to go home. That will keep me posted. But until now, I've not heard anything from him.
You really need to keep pushing hard. You have this case. This case is your case. The attention you give to this case determines the result you get. So you need to follow it up. These IPOs, they could be nonchalant about things.
I think you're right about this. I will do just as you say.
Yeah. Well, I've been waiting for you for a long time. Food is ready. Let's go inside and eat. I know you must be famished. Leave these bankers their feet.
Yes, Mr. Johnson, I'm all ears. What I'm about to tell you is this. As a matter of fact, we're taking the case to court on Monday. It is only the court that has the power to determine the outcome of this case. The job of the police is to give evidence while the court does the rest. And a lot of persons have been coming for his release. I told them no. They even went ahead offering money, which I turned down. Yes. According to the IPO, the criminal has refused to say a word. I did everything I could within me as well, to have a word with him, so he could give us some information. He refused. But you know how is it like with all these criminals? They are very hardened. But I can assure you that with time, we'll get a lead from him. We'll get very good information from him. Again, I want you to be in court on Monday. Your brother's corpse will come out. Yes, that I can assure you. Okay, thank you very much. All right, you're welcome. It's okay, we're only doing our job. Thank you.
So, Nche, that is how far we've gone. The lawyer that is actually going to stand for your son charges us about 35 million. And your son has instructed us to sell all his properties, the lands and the car. But then the car is already at the police custody, so you don't need to worry about that. Because one of our senior officers is going to purchase it. The major issue now is the land. But then Ogbonna, his friend, has already seen a buyer. But he requested that you must sign in those documents before you can actually make payments. That is why I'm here.
Officer, sorry if I may ask. You say your name is Sergeant Wafo?
Yes, sir, you are very correct, sir.
Now tell me, why you, a police officer, is so much concerned about my son's release?
That's because your son is innocent. What people are accusing him of is he did not do that. And I'm a man of the truth. I stand for people who are sincere. And your son is innocent.
It's okay. I will sign the documents. But you have to warn him to behave himself when he comes out. Because if he does any nonsense again, I will destroy him, and that is final.
I've heard you. And I promise you I'm going to tell him once he comes back. I can promise you that I will talk to him once he comes out.
Okay.
Please. His friend will be coming anytime soon. Try to sign the document, sir.
It's okay. Why do you?
I'll be on my way. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate that.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Oh, Chimo, thank God. Finally, I'm in my father's compound. Hey. Oh.
My brother.
Obonna.
My brother, thank God. Good to have you back.
Obonna. Oh, thank you so much. You're my very good friend. God will bless you.
What are we friends for now?
It's true, you lost a lot of things. But thank God I came out with my life. Anything lost can be recovered.
Exactly, that's the most important thing. Yes. So just go inside and freshen up now, okay? Just look at the wave. Man, this place is not really good for your body at all.
Look, I'm happy I'm out. You see, this kind of a thing, I'm telling you, will never come out. You know how many people I saw there that are complaining that their own Agogo is finished.
That place is for condemned people now. See my guy.
Seriously, I thank God for you. Thank you for all the running around and everything.
Voila, my man. Yeah, take care of yourself, yeah? We'll talk later.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Papa.
Lifestyle is cost. Cut your coat according to your size. Lifestyle is cost. When no fair makana, I watch a boss, I go by see. If I were rembido, we're pussy. If I put them a rembido, no one we're pussy. Come walk you. I watch a boss, I go by see. If I were rembido, we're pussy. because you cannot run faster than your shadow. One day more, I watch a boss, I go mice. If I were a middle, we'll see. No peace for wicked, no peace for evil people. I watch a boss, I go mice. If I were a middle, we'll see. You cannot eat your.
Carlo, I called you here in the presence of your key sister, Chiamaka, to talk to you as your father. But before then, I would like to ask you one question. Carlo, what do you want to do with your life?
Papa, I don't understand this question. What do you mean, what I want to do with my life? Huh? I'm already doing a lot with my life. If you check, you see, I'm doing a lot with my life. What's this question?
You are doing a lot with your life. Carlo, did I hear you say you are doing a lot with your life? Now tell me one reasonable thing you are doing with your life. If you not go out there causing problem here and there. Tell me.
Papa, what I'm doing with my life is none of your business.
Take me. What you are doing with your life is none of my business. It's none of my business. None of my business. Carlo, let me ask you. Why are you doing this to yourself? Huh? Why are you doing this to yourself? Carlo, I invested a lot of money on your education. Carlo, you squandered the money. I also sent you out there to go and learn trade. After your master settled you, I gave you a huge amount of money. Still, Carlo, you lavished that money. And the other things involve money that I didn't want to mention. Huh? Why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you messing yourself up? Huh? Now you listen to me. Listen to me, Carlo, listen to me. Henceforth, if you commit any crime again in this community or anywhere, you will not see me. Talk more of spending my money. Carlo, I know the stress I passed through before I could bring you out from this kidnapping case. You are here telling me nonsense. I know what I passed through.
Papa, stop praising yourself in this case. Stop praising yourself. You know what you passed through. You know what you passed through. Papa, you did not spend a dime in this case.
Huh?
Yes, everything that was spent to bring me out is my own money. Money realized from my properties that you sold to close the case. The way you are shouting it, spend money. Papa, anybody around now hearing you saying, I spend this money, will think that my father is one rich man that sold all his properties to close this case. And mind you, the one you are talking about, the ones you spend in the past, how much? Maybe is it not small money that every other father spends on their children growing up? You know, I spend this money, I do this. Papa, you don't have money and then you're here making money. Even you said you want to talk to me, you call this small girl to be here. Because you don't rate me. You don't rate me. That's why you call this small girl to be here so that you insult me. Anytime you bring out this hot drink with this your banana, I know there is a problem.
Chiamaka, listen to me. You see this your criminal brother. Henceforth, don't collect any money from him again. If he gives you any money, reject it. He's a criminal. He just came back from police station. If not how I struggled, he would have been in prison now. He would have been in prison now. Stop giving this girl money. You will corrupt her.
Brother, what Papa is saying, is it true?
You are mad.
So you're a criminal.
You are mad. Are you okay?
Hey.
You're calling me.
Stop shouting at my daughter. Stop shouting at my daughter.
Papa, let me tell you, if not because you are nonsense, if not because of this red cap on your head, what I will do, you will not like it. You
will do what you have do. Papa, what you will do to me.
Papa, let me tell you.
What you will do to me.
Stop underrating me. Stop calling this small. You're calling me a criminal in front of this girl.
Because you're a criminal. You're a criminal.
If you like, listen to him. You
are gone. You are gone.
Did you give me any egg? Did you give me any egg, Papa? Why will you come and undermine me?
Chiamaka, hear what I said. Yes, go inside. Don't worry. Leave him.
Don't give
go
me
inside.
anything. The party people cook in this house.
Don't stop collecting money from him. He's a criminal. He just came back from Munga.
It's okay.
Prison. Stop giving him my food.
Papa, you don't have money. You don't have money. Every time you sit down here, you don't have money. Other people have 504, 55. You are here. Me, that I have made money.
Can you get out of here?
You see, this is my father's house. You cannot chase me. Papa, I'm just giving you respect. If not, Megancha. I'm telling you. Yes, now, Papa. Papa. Papa, Papa. Papa. Police station, I can still arrest you. Papa, watch my neck. These people beat me there. Watch my neck. You are going to injure me. I dey vex. Look at what I've been through. For what? For a case I know nothing about. I say my kidnapper, for something I know nothing about. If I did it, it would be fair. I lost everything I had. All my lands, my cars, gone. Just because of Ocho. Just because of what I said with my mouth. Sharpshooter again. What did I get? Now, I've lost everything. This time around, anybody on my way, anybody, I must recover everything I have. I suppose. I can't imagine myself after eating on a golden plate, golden table. This time around, fire for fire, blood for blood. Anybody blocking our way, we shoot the person down. This time around, no begging, no bring it. If you're not bringing it, I have bag, and I'll give you your purse, and I'll give you your bag. We are going from house to house. Markets, banks, even church. I hear we rob offering box.
Hey, look, calm down now. We don't want you now, brother.
We'll
do everything, but let's exclude church from this, please.
We need to recover.
Carlo, in as much as I want you to recover from this, but we need to still be very careful. Look at Emeka, look at what happened to him. Even till now, we don't even know how he died. I'm even sure this is not ordinary. It looks like an assassin.
Whatever it is, if it did not affect me, I wouldn't have cared, because that guy is arrogant. You think it's everybody that will take his shit? When he comes, he's talking to anybody anyhow, chasing people around. Not everybody will take that. Some people will plan for you and kill you. My own is that he's dead, he's kidnapped or whatever. It affects me. All my things gone because of some. This guy just Bamocho. I would have avoided the Emeka. That name, I don't like it. Look at me.
Take it easy. I know you are very much angry, but you will do something now you end up regretting. Let's just take it easy. We'll follow everything in due process. And I'm sure all this will be over very soon. Then calm down now.
Obonna, you are my guy from day one. You are the only person I know that I can count on. Brother, we need to get everything I lost back.
We will.
See, I cannot, from eating on a table, on a golden table with golden spoon, come on, shut up. Brother, we have to do something. I have to call Sergeant to deliver for us. Let's go. At least this time around, we are not giving any break. Baro 10, off. This time, every night, every now and then, information. You understand? We do our thing. You understand? Biko, and just be at alert.
Take it easy,
Take it easy. What if I take?
You are very much angry. Carlo, see, I promise you will get everything you have lost. But please, calm down first. I know you are angry. Just calm down.
Tema, what is your problem? What did I do to you? Huh? Why did you tell Emeka's brothers and the police that I was the one that kidnapped and killed him? Why?
I did not. I did not tell anyone or the police that you kidnapped and killed Emeka. I only told them that I was there when you threatened him. Because you threatened him and you were so serious. I was there when you told them that you would deal with him. So that was the only thing that happened. I did not tell them that you were the one that killed him. The next day he went missing. So what do you expect me to say? I told them I know somebody that might have done something to him.
It was just a mere threat. I didn't mean it. You were there and you told them everything. I didn't have any harm in mind. I just threatened him.
How am I supposed to know that was a mere threat? I was there. Even me, I was scared. You told him, I will deal with you. I will tell you the reason why they call me sharpshooter. Was it not what you were saying? So how am I supposed to know that it was a mere threat?
Do you know what this your basket mouth has cost me? Everything I had. My lands, I sold my car. Sold everything I had just to close this case.
Sorry, it was not my fault. It was your master that put you into trouble. Because you are not supposed to say what you know you are not going to do. Stop threatening somebody when you know that you are not going to execute the plan. It was not my fault. It was your plan. Let me tell you, in case I'm your next victim, because now I know that I'm your enemy. As we finish here now, I will just go to the police station and tell them that anything that happens to me is in your hand. Yes, now because I'm your enemy now. If I'm not your enemy, are we going to be having this conversation?
Did I call you my enemy? Why are you like this? Dimma, I don't have anything in mind. I was just here telling you that you put me into problem. You're trying to put me into another problem.
My brother, Nez alone with me. Yeah, not about safety. I'm going to police station to report you.
Dimma, I never said I'm going to do anything to you.
Lifestyle is cost. Got your go to according to your
If I knew, I would have just left this devilish girl.
Lifestyle is cost.
Well, I don't really know what is wrong with this guy. This Sergeant One, for just to go there and change the bad gun, bring it back, he's taking time.
I don't know what is keeping him this long, What is
his problem
himself?
That behave like women. But these police people, can't trust them.
Why are you taking time now? What is wrong?
Will you shut up your mouth? Do you know the stress I go through in making sure that I bring all these tools out?
Instead of you to be telling me thank you, I hear complaining.
Okay, it's okay, sorry. Calm down. Where is it now?
Tell him to shut up his mouth.
Let's fix it. That is it now. If you do like this, nobody will talk.
Confirm.
See, I've done my part. I don't want to hear anything again. Make sure you guys should be careful. See, if they should see any of you, I don't know you and you don't know me. We are not kids in this business. You are not preaching to us.
We'll just leave that one for us.
No problem. One more thing. That AK-47, first thing tomorrow morning, people should return it. They want to make use of it, those in the afternoon session. We'll return it in the morning. We are not doing anything with the AK-47 in the morning.
Thank you very much, officer. You can go now.
Stop being aggressive, you know you are police. See, your baby is here.
My baby.
Check it out.
Nah, man. Okay, we'll cha-cha. Let's go there.
I like it. This is the one for one.
Yes.
Now I know that you're not just useless, but you're stupid. So your boyfriend died. You could not mourn him. Your boyfriend died. He did call on Wegi came on for even if not one day. All you did was to jump on his friend, Kano. Makobuego. Ini Efale, if ever want to if you get you're a very bad person, it's the bad.
Dima, you surprise me. I am highly disappointed in you. Look at you. You stand firmly in front of me to spill this gibberish. Like, who are you to tell me on how to live my life? Oh yeah, Kibu. No, you expect me to hit my head on the wall over a dead Emeka, over a dead man. Is that what you want me to do? What for? Point of correction. Ex. Emeka is my ex. The living and the dead have nothing in common. So I won't stand here and listen to you talking about that dead vampire of a man. You want me to mourn over that miserable, wretched vampire? Or what? Is that what you want?
So Emeka is not a vampire?
Oh, Imaro.
Hey! Oh, I wish the dead can see because I want the Emeka, Jom, why am I putting mouth? Why am I poke-nosing? I wish the dead can see what is happening now. So Emeka was a vampire. When you were collecting this boy's money, you could put in a man John way now and see choose iPhone. You want to vampire. Hi, this girl. How did dare even make you my friend in this village because you don't, in fact, you don't deserve to stay close to me. Ship to go very well if you contaminate him.
Emeka is dead and gone, and that settles it.
This is your current boyfriend now. Do you know what he does for a living?
And so?
And you're eating his money.
And so?
You know he's the one that killed Emeka, ba? When this boy will go down, you will follow him and go down. Bet me.
Tima, what are you saying?
I'm saying the truth.
Watch your tongue.
I cannot watch my tongue. Barrow pusher. Obute benzi baye. How did he make his money overnight? Ona people the your people got suffer. Okay, go sit bate go.
Be careful. For the fact that you're my friend does not give you the right to insult me or to speak ill of my man. I will not warn you again. Be careful.
Careful of who?
Be careful of me in this community.
Hey! I should be careful of you. Is this not you? Or you want to photocopy this in the house? Did you photocopy yourself at home? You know me very man. You can say, Mom, try me mwagi black and blue. If you need a red at once, try me. You supposed to know me now. See, respect yourself. Oh. That money you are eating is blood money. He needs to go the blood shift to go the. What fact? Please come and be going. Papa go now, your smell. I don't even want people to see both of us. Because
Dema.
Go now.
A word is enough for the wise.
That is for you. Go.
Pass. You need to put a go over.
You're smelling ego, but blood money. You can see me. If you wake up in the morning, you will come. You know, blood of Jesus. Let's say go, but never blood of Jesus on you because that way we can will give me every try, Mama. Check your womb, bo. You go just watching about your womb.
Avenge my death. Avenge my death. And give me a befitting burial so that my soul can rest in peace.
Emeka, why all this blood stain on you? Who did this to you?
Avenge my death. Avenge my death. Avenge my death. And give me a befitting burial so that my soul can rest in peace. Avenge my death and give me a befitting burial so that my soul can rest in peace.
Why your clothes stains with blood? Who did this to you? Who did this to you?
Don't touch me. Avenge my death and give me a befitting burial so that my soul can rest in peace.
What kind of a dream is this? Emeka appeared to me last night, telling me to make him rest. What is that supposed to mean? Make him rest. Wait. Hi.
Bro Johnson. You're here. Good morning. I heard a loud scream coming from your room last night.
What was that for? I was talking to Emeka.
You're talking to who?
I'm not joking, Paul. I'm serious.
Which Emeka are you talking about?
Yes. I'm talking about your son. Your late son, Emeka.
What about him?
Mama, he appeared in my dreams, telling me to make him rest. I don't understand. I don't know. I did not. It was so real, standing before me, Make me rest. Make me rest. That he doesn't like where he is. What does that mean?
What could be the meaning of that?
I think what that means is that he should be buried properly.
Buried properly?
Yes. His funeral should be conducted.
No. He shouldn't say that. No, Mama, Emeka shouldn't say that now. We just buried Papa a month and few days ago. We don't even have money. After all, the money that we wanted to use for the burial, we paid it into his account. We can believe one now. Eh? No, he shouldn't say that, Pico. Pico, we don't have money now. We don't have the wherewithal at all.
This is giving me so much concern right now. But in any case, like Brother rightly said here, we don't have money for now. We can't do anything now. His burial can't be soon. We just finished Papa's funeral. Our hands are tied, right? We've put in a lot already.
A lot? Mama, you should remember the money was paid into his account before his demise. He shouldn't be saying this. Eh? He shouldn't be saying this.
It's okay, please. Just calm down. Please.
Ask him bury him properly. Where is the money?
Brother, you bought a new car. Wow, this is superb. Oh
it's
my
not
God.
just a new car. This is a Lexus. Check it.
Wow, let me enter inside.
You can enter inside. Your brother is successful.
My brother.
Yes.
I love this one.
You love
but
it,
I
Abi?
get eye for better things.
For better things.
Hey.
This is why I like you.
This is so beautiful.
It's a Lexus.
I'll be staying in front. Even though you have a girlpriend, I'll be staying in
You will
front.
go and get married. Though.
No,
Somebody has that front
I'll be
already.
staying in front. This is my brother's car.
Ichie.
Papa, good afternoon.
Ichie,
Welcome.
your son is back.
Papa, look at the car, that boy.
Look at it.
Very
It's a Lexus.
Hey,
Ichie, it's a Lexus.
Papa, I know you like this one.
This is the car your son bought. Papa, look at it. They chased me from Mercedes. I say, okay. I now went and got Lexus. And I decided to get the black color. Candilo are there from Papa. Only I go committed. Celebrate with me. Ichie.
Carlo.
Papa.
Where did you get money to buy this car? Because as far as I know, since you came back from police detention, you are not doing any work. Where did you get money to buy this car?
Papa, where I get money to buy this car is nobody's business. As a matter of fact, the reason why I bought this car and in this particular color is because I don't want anybody to know my business. Papa, you must not know what I do. You must not know what I do.
Carlo.
Papa.
At the count of 3, I want you to take this car out of this compound. Else, I will call the police to come and arrest you and this car.
Papa, if you like, call the DPO, call Inspector General of Police, call the Chief of Army Staff, all the military, bring them here. Papa, I don't care. I am making it. I just bought a new car. Eh?
Carl, I don't want to repeat myself, and I'm sure you heard me. I said at the count of 3, if you don't take this car out of this compound, I will call the police to come and arrest you. 1,
Papa.
2, 3.
Papa, call anybody you want to call. I see you are throwing it as a challenge. Call anybody you want to call. Now look at your father. Instead of rejoicing with me, eh?
This car that is very beautiful.
If I slap, come and get out of this place.
Papa,
Get out of this
Papi,
place.
come on, I saw the game. So, this car is beautiful.
Leave your father. You and get married so that the hunger will kill him in this house. I like a reformer.
Hello, Sergeant Wafo. Sergeant Wafo, I want to see you in my house right now. That my criminal son has started again. This time around, he came in with a different car, a big one. I want you to come and arrest him, take him to the station and interrogate him, ask him where he get money to buy the car. He not doing any job. How come he get the money to buy this expensive car? I want it in my house now. Come and arrest him. I'm waiting.
Papa, congratulations. Do you know you just wasted your money? Credit you had that you would have used to call all these women so that they come and take care of you. But no, there is no problem. Papa, you cannot stop my shine. Papa, you got to go. Cannot stop my shine. Eh? I will stay by another car. Or Sunday, or Wendy. Or Sunday, or Wendy. Or Sunday, or Wendy. Oh. Hey. Let me even go and see your good. What am I doing with this old man?
Micheal, that is what we have been going through.
What? What is the meaning of all this? Emeka appeared to me too. Yes, you sir appeared to me.
Emeka appeared to you?
Yes. Hey. I was on my way going somewhere in the dream. Emeka appeared to me, telling me the same thing he told you.
Hey. Micheal, this is a problem. A very big one. What do we do?
You people have to prepare for his funeral before something terrible happens. You know, Emeka is now a spirit. His thinking and our own thinking are no longer the same.
Micheal, you shouldn't be saying this. You know this is not possible. How do we prepare for Emeka's funeral, knowing that we don't have the wherewithal to do it? We paid a huge sum of money to Emeka's account before his demise, and that was the money that was supposed to be for Papa's burial. You know how much it delayed? We had to borrow money to do Papa's burial. We're not done paying for the money. We're in debt. Where do we get the money from to bury the... Please, don't say this, people.
Don't you understand me? I'm not forcing you people to do so. It's because of the situation at hand. But all the same, I have said my own. If anything happens to anybody in this family, well, count me out of it.
Micheal, this is a very big problem. But it's okay. This is what we've been going through. So I said, let me let you know. Thank God I saw you on the way. I was going somewhere before you. I saw you.
It's okay.
I'll talk to you later.
Oh, it's all right.
We are lost in a haze of our endless desire. Greediness is a poison. One more is a poison.
I have heard everything you've said. But then what if I tell you that your son is not a criminal?
Why did you say that?
That is because I know your son too well. Your son cannot do such a thing. He's just a gentleman. See, I know your son is into Yahoo, which is an illegal business. But then, we don't have any evidence. The police can only arrest you and you pay for your crime when they see you with an evidence. We don't have any evidence on your son. We cannot just be accusing him of that. That is what I'm saying.
Officer, let me ask you. You mean to tell me that the big car my son bought without having any reasonable work he's doing, that gives him money to buy such a big car, is that not enough evidence to crucify him?
That is not an evidence.
That is not an evidence.
We need to catch him doing such an illegal act. But no, you cannot just accuse him because of car.
Listen to me. Do you know why I'm telling you this? It's because if tomorrow my son commits another crime, let nobody come here and disturb me that my son did this or my son did that. Because I will fight that person with the last drop of my blood. See, I will also come to the station and see the DPO and say this before him to avoid had I know. Did you hear me?
I've heard you, sir.
Okay, you can go.
All right, sir.
This man, his way is not clear. I am suspecting him. His way is not genuine. I'm sure he's hiding something. It's all right. I'm watching you. I am watching.
Hello, my man.
Don't know. Afana. What is the problem? This is why your face is like this.
My brother, you know my father can be very funny at times.
Yeah, this is your old man self. Eh? What did you do this time around?
That man is disturbing me. Can you imagine that he called Sergeant Mwafo, our man, to come and arrest me, that I'm a criminal?
What now? Eh? Oh, you and this your father self. This is your father. What is this problem now?
Imagine calling police on your own son.
As in, eh?
So, what about your own father? What did he say?
You know my father now. My father don't have problem now. In as much as you are giving him money, he does not have any problem. Eh?
The kind of father I need, a guy man father that understand. Look, what other fathers are praying for. Eh? What other fathers are praying for? My own father doesn't want it at all.
You know this is our job. It's not really something we are proud of. We're only doing this because of our desire for money. Eh? But even at that still. Eh? Hey! Wait, what did he say? What did Sergeant Mwafo say about it?
No, you know Sergeant Mwafo is our man. He told him he cannot arrest me. Bam. You understand that I'm not a criminal.
You're not a criminal.
I'm not a criminal, my brother.
What's wrong with him, sir? Hey! My brother. So how far now? How about the next operation? That one that supermarket girl, bro. How far?
It's active. It's actually what I wanted to tell you. The dollar is arriving tomorrow.
At the shop?
At the shop.
Yeah.
It will be there. So, in the evening, by 8 p.m.
Strike! Correct! Give me 5 there. Guy. Correct! Brother, you know that my gun is not really too active. You need to test Sergeant Mwafo. You need to change that gun for me. I don't want to die in any operation.
Nobody wants to die. I don't already tell him, say, that gun will no work, making change that. And he has agreed to change it.
Hey, my brother!
Imagine using an old gun to go and collect a new dollar.
My brother, you know this particular operation, I've been dreaming about it since.
Dollar.
My brother, you are going to go now. 1,600.
That's a cash out.
My brother, no time, you need to hurry up, I swear to God.
As it is, I'm ready.
Oh, Babu. Oh, you don't enter. Hi.
Hey, that woman.
I know, Alana. Go, don't worry. Let me relax now. Yeah, you know.
Me, your brother.
My brother.
Hey, madam. Wait. I can carry you.
Hey. My Igwe, I'm very happy for the color.
Micheal, you said you are from Obiofia community.
Exactly.
And you have a very important message coming from your Igwe for me.
Yes, Your Majesty, Igwe.
Can you go ahead? Let me hear the message.
Oh, very good. Thank you for the audience. See, for some months now, there are this group of armed robbers. They've been terrorizing our community. And when we try to make our investigation, we discover that those boys are from their own community. Because we are in good terms with you, my own Igwe advised me to come to you to tell you that you should please call your boys to order. Caution them. We will not like such an ugly incident to happen again. Because if it does, my Igwe, I'm sorry to say, consider that person dead.
I heard you, Chiofonza. I thank you so much for this wonderful information. And I would like you to extend my thanks to your Igwe. Tell him that I heard everything that he said. And I'm going to take appropriate action.
Thank you again. I will deliver your message. I will be on my way now, please, if you permit me.
Your Majesty. Sorry. Let me understand you well. So, you called we to the two responsible elders in this community to your palace to insult us, telling us that our children are thieves. And you want us to keep quiet? You want us to be silent?
No, change that, but that is not what I meant.
I am only saying, based on the message I got from Igwe of Obiofia, that I should call our youths and talk to them. Is there anything wrong in talking to our youths? What you should do is go home and talk to your sons.
And why is it that it is only to our own sons that you are sending this kind of message to?
Everybody is pointing accusing fingers on them. Please go home and talk to your sons. And the message also said that if they catches any of them in their community again, they are going to kill.
Your Majesty, I think I have come in here. But first of all, let me start from Ichie Izako here. Che Izako.
Ichie Maduebo.
Let me ask you. Which job does your son and my son do in that market?
I'm surprised that this kind of question is coming from you.
Which job does they do in that market?
They work in the market.
As what? Which job does they do in that market? I'm asking you.
They are wheelbarrow pushers.
Wheelbarrow pushers. Anyway, I don't need to ask you how much they make in a day in that wheelbarrow pusher. Because I know you will not say the truth. Let me also ask you, did you see the kind of expensive cars they have in this community? Is it in that wheelbarrow pusher they make the money they use in buying those expensive cars? I know you won't talk because you are a greedy man. You are a greedy man. You know the truth. You will not say. Why are you like this, Ichie Izako? You know the kind of job your son and my son do at night, but yet you will not say the truth. What is your problem? Huh? And you are here, hand they got to challenge Awigwe, asking him one useless question or the other. Which job would you both of them do to make the money they use in buying such an expensive car they are driving in this village? You don't want to answer me. You don't want to answer me. Your Majesty, you see that message that you go for your person to me about this, our sons or whatever. Igwe is not far from the truth.
Ichie.
And Ichie Izako here knows it. Because he will not say it because he's a greedy man. But I suggest you should leave them. Let one day their cup will full. No why he hope no one day their cup will full. As for my son, I am tired of talking and I've already let the police know about it.
Chimadewo, thank you so much. Your words today made me understand the kind of man you are.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Never I say, onye na-eme mma ya jide ka oji. Mana onye na-eme njọ ya hapụ ka oji. Ichie Izako, this last one is for you. The day will come when I will remind you of today. Happy Hojo, ki Hojo happy. Ask them the happy Hojo, ki Hojo happy. One more thing, both of you. Go home, tell your sons to come and see me. This meeting is over. You can go.
Chimadwebo, tell your son to come and see the Igwe.
What is wrong with this man?
Brother, come and eat. Your food is ready. I'm done with cooking.
Did Papa send you to come and tempt me? I thought your father said you should not give me food in this house.
No, now. Are you not my brother again? You are my brother now. Why should I not give you food?
Did you say it when he was here accusing me of being a criminal? The next thing you did was ask me, brother, are you a thief? But you have been eating my money.
Papa was
Please
looking at
leave me. I don't want that.
Come and eat.
I don't want to eat.
Leave that. Come and eat.
What are you doing here?
Papa, good afternoon.
African, what are you doing here? Alright, get inside.
Micheal, are you back? Micheal, you are the one I'm greeting.
Carlo, I am just coming back from the palace. The Igwe said I should ask you to come and see him.
The Igwe asked you to tell me to come and see him. Oh, Papa, I don't understand. Did you enroll me in the cabinet of the Igwe and you didn't tell me? Wait. Papa, don't tell me you have reported me to Igwe the same way you reported me to those policemen that they should come and arrest me, that I'm a criminal. Oh God, what kind of life is this? Papa, what did I do to you? Organic and me? Eh? What is this? So I can't drink water and keep cup in this house, in my own father's house.
Huh? What did I hear you say? Drink water and keep cup in whose house? My house? Never. Wait, I am not a thief. Your late mother, my wife, was not a thief before she died. Your kid sister Chiamaka is not a thief. So where did you learn that from? Huh? Tell me, where did you learn that from? Anyway, you hear what I said. The Igwe said I should ask you to come and see him. When you get to the palace, you tell the Igwe what you do for a living.
Papa, I see you are looking for what I will say. Eh? You see the Igwe's palace? My 2 feet, I'm not stepping in there. Papa, now everybody wants to investigate the source of my wealth. When I was poor and pushing wheelbarrow, nobody wanted to investigate the source of my poverty. Eh? But now, everybody, you have informed the whole village to investigate how I made my money, how I bought these cars.
It's not Nagemurge. Eh? It's not Nagemurge. I'm a aging boy, aging. Okay, in a zoo, and a zoo.
Papa, I know what is working you up. Your problem is that you fail to use me as a useless boy. That useless son of yours that is pushing wheelbarrow. I've made it and the thing is peppering me. Papa, I am building house. You have this bungal, which I'm even going to inherit from you and take it down, build another one.
You are making it.
Yes.
You are making it by killing people with your gun and snatch their money.
Papa, did I kill anybody and you saw the dead body? Eh? Papa, I am not going to the palace. Anywhere, yada. You go on reporting me to every other person. See, fathers like you are happy that their son is doing well. Oh, Papa, in your call, they ask you to sacrifice me so that I will be pushing wheelbarrow. Oh, man, I have made money, Papa. Eh? And what happened to me will never happen again. I am now wiser. Eh? Anya Sagum. Papa, all your plans will not work. Let me go and enjoy my money. Who is Igwe? Buy him a car, Pocho.
We have to do something before it's too late. I am confused. Very, very confused. I don't know what to do. Mba, brother, you need to go out and ask questions. Ask questions. You're the first son of this house. Go out, John Dikeh. Ask them. They know the tradition more. At least they can tell us what to do and where to go and how to get this problem solved. When I'm going, we'll go together. Together, you go your own.
I think I have a suggestion.
Suggestion, Okwa?
Yes. I will suggest we plan and carry out Emeka's funeral